Hi there, Kurt Hake here. This is another React Native app video. This time the app is a news app, and once again I built it from the tutorials here in Handlebar Labs. Okay, so here is what the app looks like. I can scroll through the list of apps and I can press any of them that I want to, and when I do, it loads the page up inside the app, which I can of course interact with just like any other web page. And I can close it if I want to, and open up some other app, for example. Anyway, it's all working. It's a useful app, but not all that complicated. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and show you the code now. Okay, so it doesn't actually take very much code to make this app. There's only one screen and there aren't too many different components to keep track of or anything like that. So the new concept for this app is GraphQL, which is a query language for the API. This code is seen in the client and queries files. So this, client file has some of the API code, like the key, for example, and then all the queries.js actually has the detailed query, which in this case is for top headlines. That's what you saw when I was in the app. Then the two component files are article row and embedded web view. Article row is pretty simple. It's mostly just a bunch of styling for all the articles in the list. But then embedded web view is actually something new because it imports from React Native Web View, which allows us to open up the web pages inside the app itself. And then it just follows some styling. It's really the container that's styled to look the way that we want. For example, doing things like not taking up the entire screen and that sort of thing. And the only other file that we worked in was just that main, index.js app file. And as expected, it just kind of contains the core code for loading up the list of article rows. And then, of course, then, it allows the, if you press one of the articles, then it opens up the embedded web view and all that. So, and that's pretty much the app. So, thanks for watching.